You're watching Let's Chat.
I'm here this morning with my friend from Choice to tell us all about their upcoming baby shower and donation drive. Thank you so much for coming in. Carol Ann Ferguson, Executive Director of Choices.
Thank you for having me.
Great. Tell me about what Choices does for the community.
Choices cares for people who are facing an unexpected pregnancy. So we support them with free medical services, but we also support them with free family services too for all of those that are going to become parents for the first time.
Well, if you're offering this, I imagine it's not free and there's some expenses involved. So you have to, hold drives. Talk to me about this baby shower drive.
Exactly. So we have a baby shower drive that's coming up on this Thursday.
Oh.
It's from 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. and we've done it for the past several years, and it is the time that we restock our baby boutique. And so how this baby boutique works is that parents, moms and dads, are able to come into our program, and from the moment that she's pregnant, she'll come once every 2 weeks and just learn so much important information about how to be the best mom that she can be. And then she'll stay in the program until she turns 1.
Wow.
At that time, she'll graduate, and then she can join some additional classes that we have up until age 2. So this mom is in our program until baby turns 2 to just really come alongside and support her. And at the same time, we have a dad's program too. So he too is also able to get all of this important education coming alongside him to support him to be the best dad that he can be. So while they're in this program, they earn baby bucks to shop in our baby boutique.
So what I'm feeling is at a moment when women might be frightened or shocked and scared about their future, you embrace them and offer them maybe everything they could need.
Absolutely. There was one mom that I actually had the privilege of getting to talk to, and she was not sure what she was going to decide when it comes to this pregnancy, solely on the fact that she felt completely alone. And so when she found out that Choices would be able to provide her not only with great education on how to be a mom, but also that the community was coming alongside of her to help cover the financial needs of all the baby items, that it can be so expensive, to have a baby. And so for her, that piece is what made her choose to keep this baby and to join our program.
Right, they are a blessing. I have 2 of my own and they bring me joy every day. So a lot of feelings, but joy the biggest one. So how can people find out what you need for this baby shower drive?
So they can go onto our website at team.choiceschattanooga.org, and that will lead them to our events page, our baby shower page, where it lists all of the different things that we need. We also have an Amazon registry, so for those that makes it really easy. If you're not able to come out and get to Choices location on Thursday, you can go on our Amazon registry, just search Choices Pregnancy Resource Center on Amazon, and it'll lead you there, and you can just purchase items and it'll ship directly to us.
Oh, I love that. I'm going to head over there.
Yes.
So you're also hosting an open house. Tell me about that.
So the open house, this is a great time where folks, if they want to come in and learn more about what we do and just see our building, see our space, and what it is when we have a patient or client walk into our space, they're able to experience that. So we invite people to come and just get to see it. We've moved into a new location 2 years ago, so we're off Eastgate Loop now, and we're just excited for everyone to get to come and enjoy this time with us.
What's your favorite part about what you do?
This event is my favorite event that we do throughout the year, because it's such a cool opportunity to see the whole community of Chattanooga come alongside the families that we are supporting with all of these baby needs, to just really care for a family and say, yes, we support you and we love you.
Well, thank you so much for coming on, Carol Ann. It sounds like I hope you get all the support in the world for the wonderful service you all offer. Team.choiceschattanooga.org/baby shower to help donate to these babies and these young moms, so they're not afraid. They see it as a blessing and a joy. And I see 423-892-0803. How can they email you?
They can call or text that number and reach us, but they can also email us at info@choiceschattanooga.org.
I love that. Thanks for coming on, Carol Ann. And you heard it here, team.choiceschattanooga.org/baby shower. Text them 423-892-0803. I love that offer. I love the texter. Anyway, thanks for coming on, Carol Ann.
Thanks for having me.